Some days, studying feels impossible, like your brain just won't cooperate. You sit down, open your books, and suddenly everything else seems way more interesting: scrolling, snacks, literally anything. But what if I told you there's a way to actually start without overthinking it? Today, I'm going to share tips that help me get motivated, even on my laziest days. Let's make studying feel a little easier, and maybe even a little enjoyable. Tip 1. Make your study routine cozy. First, make your study routine feel good. You don't need fancy stationery or a perfect desk, it's about the little things that make studying enjoyable. Light a candle, put on your favorite playlist, make a warm drink. When your brain associates studying with calm and comfort, starting feels easier. It's not about making it perfect, it's about making it yours. Tip 2. Start small. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. Instead of saying, "I'll study for 3 hours," tell yourself, "I'll do 10 minutes. That's it." 10 minutes is enough to get momentum going. And even if you stop after 10 minutes, you still did something. That's progress. Consistency beats intensity, showing up matters more than doing everything perfectly. Tip 3. Remember your why. When motivation fades, ask yourself why you're studying. It could be your dream school, a personal goal, or even just wanting to feel proud of yourself. Holding on to your reason, big or small, makes it easier to push through when your brain resists. Every tiny effort adds up, and you're building a future version of yourself who will thank you for showing up today. Tip 4. Rest without guilt. Rest is just as important as working hard. You don't need to earn your breaks, you need them. Step away, breathe, recharge. Your brain works better when it's rested. So if you're feeling drained, don't fight it. Pause, rest, and come back ready to focus. Tip 5. Progress over perfection. Your study journey won't be perfect, and that's okay. There will be messy notes, late starts, and days where nothing goes right. What matters is that you're trying. Every little effort counts. Progress may be slow, but it's still progress, and that's something to be proud of. So if you're watching this right now, consider this your gentle reminder: it's okay to start right where you are. Start small, be kind to yourself, and remember, every little effort adds up. If this video helped even a little, like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe share it with someone who needs a bit of motivation today. You got this. I'll see you in the next one. Happy studying!